Hi everyone! In this video we'll look at how to break our sentences into smaller parts called thought groups and where to pause when we speak. This makes your English clearer and easier to understand. So what are thought groups? A thought group is like a small phrase within a sentence. It contains one idea and helps listeners follow your message more easily. We pause slightly between thought groups, just like commas when we write. Let's look at an example of a thought group. Listen to this sentence. I love cooking, but I don't like cleaning. We break this sentence into two parts, thought group 1 and thought group 2. It's easier to understand, right? We use some other clues as well to determine where to pause in a sentence. Let's look at a few examples of where we pause. First of all, we pause before a conjunction, a word like but, or, so. Listen and repeat these example sentences after me. I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. She's very smart, and she works hard too. We missed the bus, so we had to walk. Another place to pause is after an introductory phrase. Let's read a few examples. Repeat after me. To be honest, I didn't like the movie. In my opinion, this rule is confusing. After a long day at work, I just want to relax. Next, we add a pause before introducing a new idea or detail. Here are a few examples. Repeat after me. I'm taking English classes 3 times a week. He called me last night to ask for help. We're meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. And finally, we usually pause before or after names. Try repeating these examples with me. Emma, could you help me with this? Do you know the answer, James? Let me ask my teacher, Heather. Now let's try a mini quiz. Read the following sentences to yourself and think about where you would pause. Here are the sentences. Feel free to pause the video here for a minute while you think. Let's check your answers. Listen and repeat after me. Notice where I pause between each thought group. I'll read each sentence twice. Number 1. I'll have the pasta and a glass of wine. I'll have the pasta and a glass of wine. Number 2. Will you please come here, Sarah? Will you please come here, Sarah? Number 3. To be honest, I didn't understand. To be honest, I didn't understand. Number 4. They arrived late because of traffic. They arrived late because of traffic. Let's review. In this video, we learned about thought groups. We learned where to pause, and we saw how pausing and grouping ideas makes your English clearer. Try marking pauses when you read or listen to English this week. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching.